बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। Today we will start parallel circuits. There are more than one path for the current to flow. Current flowing through different branches of the parallel circuit may be the same or different. Current in each branch is less than the total current flowing out from the battery. First one is there are more than one path for the current to flow. As we have seen in series circuit, only one path for the current to flow, but here we seen that this one is a one branch, this one is a second branch, and this one is a third branch. More than one path for the current to flow, and each branch the current may be same or different from the current provided by the battery. The current may be same in each branch or may be different from the original source, and original source here is parallel circuit battery. Over a series circuit, more than one path for the current to flow. More than one path for the current to flow. First one path, second one path, and third one path. More than one path for the current to flow. Break in any branch stops the flow of the current in that branch only. If there is a breakage occur in fourth branch, if there is a breakage occur, the current will stop only in this branch. The current, the movement of the electric current and supply of the electric current will stop only this branch, because the breakage is occurred at the fourth branch of the parallel circuit. This is a benefit over the series circuit of parallel circuit. Extend your thinking. Why electric wiring in our houses is parallel rather than in series circuit? In series circuit, we have seen that in series circuit only one path for the current to flow, but in parallel circuit there are more than one path for the current to flow. ठीक है? If we are turning on a lot of electrical appliances in a room, then all of the electrical appliances are supplied by different amount of electricity, and these amount of electricity are independent from each other. If light bulb is on, if in this room electric refrigerator is working on, and if there is iron is working on, all of these three branches, all of these appliances are provided by separate amount of current, and these work independently of each other. These work independently of each other. How much current is provided to first, second, and third appliances? All of these are independent of each other. So electrical wiring in parallel in houses are in parallel circuit rather than in series circuit. Hope all of you have understand it. If parallel circuit, the wiring in houses are parallel circuit, all of the appliances work independently of each other. Independently of each other, the working of one appliances, if this one is the first appliance, its working is not affected by this one. The working of one electrical appliance is not affected by the second one and third one. Next one is activity. Connect a battery, keys and two 1.5 volt bulb in a parallel circuit. Add another bulb and key in the parallel circuit with other two bulbs. First we have this one is a circuit. Second one, in first we have add two bulbs. This one is a parallel circuit. This one is a parallel circuit. After that we have add three bulbs, light bulbs in this circuit. Three light bulbs in circuit. Replace one of the light bulbs with burned out light bulb. First, in second point we have add third one light bulb and switch on the key, and in fourth point we have to replace the one light bulb with blew out or burn out light bulb. Things to think. How does the brightness of the light bulbs change in the step 2? In step 2, what is the brightness of the light bulb? We have add a light bulb in step 2. It means that the brightness of the light bulb will be affected or will not be affected. If we compare the brightness of the light bulb, this experiment with series circuit experiment, the brightness of the light bulb here in parallel circuit is more than the series circuit. The brightness of the light bulb in parallel circuit in comparison to series circuit is higher, is more than, brightness is more in parallel circuit than in series circuit. What happens to the other lights in the circuit in step 3? In step 3 we have added a burnout light bulb. We have added a burnout light bulb. The working of other two light bulbs will not be affected. The working of other light bulbs will not be affected. This light bulb is burned out, but other two light bulbs are continuously working and blew up. While we talk about series circuit, if one light bulb is burned out, the other two also do not work, because there is only one path in series circuit, only one path for the current to flow. But if we talk about parallel circuit, there are more than one path for the current to flow, and the working of other two light bulbs will not be affected.